Welcome guys, thank you for joining me again in this tutorial and this course. So here we are going to show you two things. So we are going to show you how you can design your product, one with AI and secondly naturally with Canva. So I'm going to walk you through step by step in order to make this work. So here you can see on my screen there is a prompt that I use here. You can see that. So I use the prompt, and this is what the ChatGPT give me in return for my prompt as my cover. So this is for for ebook. So those costs, everything, you compile them into ebook, then you sell it out. All right. So when people come to your seller and they see, this is what they are going to see with your description, so they can make transfer and you earn your own money. All right. So this is what ChatGPT give me, and we are going right into what is it called, canvas, to design our own natural. So let's see, maybe we can mash up with chat gbt a little bit. This is going to take a little moment, so please stick with me as we are diving into it. All right, the resources that I'm going to use has been downloaded, and this is where I get them from: the seller logo, the WhatsApp logo, the everything logo, the Telegram logo, the background. This is where I get it from. All right, this is my source. This is where I get it from. So right now we are going to remove some background of some pictures that I will actually need. So number one, I'm going to go to remove bg. So if you don't know how to, just type remove bg in your Google Play Store, you will see it there, Google Play Store or Apple Store. So you will see it there, then you can download. So let's wait for this thing to load. So and now that remove bg has loaded, we will click on upload image, that blue button. So you will press AI gallery. So I don't know what is it called in your own. So you will look for the picture that you want to do. So my own is from pin. So I'm going to remove this background. So and it is removing now. And now that our image has been removed, the background that is removed, we have to click download. When you press download, you press free. So if you have money, you can pay for that one, but I'm not going to pay. So let's head back to Canva. So you hit custom size. So when you press custom size, you press change that one to inches. So you can pick just 3. You can pick 3 by 5. All right. You can pick 3 by 5. So or you can pick 4 by 6, 3 by 5, 4 by 6. Everything is the same thing. All right. So now the first thing we are going to do is to click on upload. So when you click on upload, you press upload file. So when you press upload file, you press device. So when you press divide, you press download. When you press download, you go to that up, you press your gallery, and you come to artboard. I don't know how your own is. So you press remove bg and you select the picture that you want to import. All right. So what I'm going to do now is to press my background image first. And I press my background image. I will increase the size. I will increase the size. I will increase the next thing. I will bring in my text. All right. I'll bring in my text. You can see the way I arrange it. So I'm going to copy how to sell first. I'll press edit and I will hit there. So I'm just going to, do this one. I will press duplicate. I'm just going to bring all this thing first. And now that we're bringing on our text, let's start coloring and arranging. So the first one is I'm going to color this one. I'm going to change the color. Let me find a color that is attractive and the one that can work very well. So let me find the color that. So this is how I later arrange everything. Okay, so after you arrange it this way, okay, this is what I rearrange. I don't want this video to be long, that's why I pause it and I do it. So this is where I rearrange it. You can see all the text has been brought, all these things have been designed. So you click over here, and when you press there, you press download, and when you press download, you press download again. All right. So when this thing comes out, you press download again, and when you press download, you will have something like this. So let's compare the two. So let's compare the two. The one that I designed and the one that ChatGPT generated for us. So let's see what we have. Oh my God, this This is crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. This is awesome. This is awesome. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you. I will see you in my next video. AI is crazy, actually. AI is crazy. Bye bye, you.